Hi guys, kamusta? What's up? Ayan, so ngayon, balik tayo sa paggawa ng video. Kasi supposedly, sa condo lang ako magstay para magtrabaho. Kaya lang, nagkaroon ng maintenance. So wala kaming kuryente ngayon hanggang mamaya pang 3 p.m. Kaya alas 11 pa lang. So, sayang naman yung araw. I want to make this day a little productive. Kaya lumabas ako para, ayun, gumawa ng video. Kasi to some of you, if you know me, ako ay nasa real estate industry. I am a licensed broker here in the Philippines. So what I usually do, lumalabas talaga ako to meet clients. But for today, wala akong nakaschedule for meeting. Kaya magbi-video ako ng content to give a little intro doon sa kung ano ba yung ginagawa ko as a real estate broker. No? So ayan, for the past 2 years, I've been very busy building our brand. So I have a brokerage. The name is I2 Prime Realty. So pwede nyo i-follow yung I2 Prime. So yung brokerage ko, what we do is we handle all the properties available both sa primary market and then sa secondary market. So ano ba yung difference ng dalawa? No? Bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting overview para if you guys are looking for property investment or your own property, whether condo, house and lot, lote, you know what to do and where to go. Okay? So sa brokerage ko, again, we handle both primary and secondary. So when we talk about primary market, ito yung mga listings or inventories that are coming directly from developers. So if you think of Shang Properties, DMCA Homes, SMDC, Artaland, RLC, Robinson's Land. So all those developers, we partner with them. So we get access doon sa real-time inventories na meron sila. And then we market and we offer that to our potential clients. So we handle all the developers here in the Philippines. So whether you are looking for a condo, house and lot being offered by any developers here in the Philippines, so we handle that in our brokerage, no? But apart from the primary market, we also handle secondary market. So these are properties that are coming directly from the owners. So say for example, may listing or merong owner na nagpapabenta ng property niya located in any areas in the Philippines. So we also handle that here in our brokerage, no. So for mga secondary market, usually mga ready for occupancy na ito yung mga nakatayo na and meron ng clean title. Okay? So if naghahanap kayo ng immediately move in, you want to see the actual house already, so we can check our listings from the secondary market. So we also handle that. Ayan. Kaya yun naman yung maganda, the reason also why I decided to put up my own brokerage company. So we can cater all the property needs of our clients. So we have a team handling different areas here in the Philippines. So whether you are looking north side dito sa Luzon, south, or even within the Metro Manila, no, we handle all those listings available. Kaya ayun, kung you guys are exploring options, no, kung ano ba yung best para sa inyo, whether we go doon sa mga developer na mga inventories, because what's good about it is it can offer you some flexibility kasi meron silang mga pre-selling kung tawagin, no. So ang pre-selling naman, when we talk about pre-selling, ito yung mga properties that are still under construction. So dahil under construction pa siya, it gives you more flexibility in terms of the payment terms. Kasi for the equity or yung down payment, kung tawagin natin, no, you have the option to settle that purely by installment. So if you are in that situation in your life na you cannot do cash out, so wala pa kayong immediate cash para mag full down payment, and you are not really that in urgent need to move in dun sa property, then you might as well consider getting pre-selling properties para mas flexible yung terms, 'di ba? Kasi installment nyo binabayaran yung down payment pero you get the ownership of the property already. So meaning at least unti-unti mong na-fund yung pangarap mong bahay or condo, no, or any property. So yun naman yung good thing about getting property from the developers. And for the secondary naman, dito kasi sa brokerage ko, when I was starting, I was focusing on the south area. So if you are maybe looking sa areas ng south, like sa Parañaque, BF Homes, so we have listings there. We also have listings in Alabang. So if you are looking sa Ayala Alabang Village, we also have listings in Hillsboro. We also have listings in Alabang West, Portofino Heights, the Enclave, all the way hanggang doon sa Novali area. Actually, even Batangas. Marami kaming mga listings, no? Kung gusto niyo ng beach property, lote lang, house and lot. So, kompleto kami dito sa brokerage ko. So, I have my team who can help you find your perfect property investment, and I personally can also help out. So, ayun, ngayon, intro pa lang yun, di ba? Pero dami kong nasabi, pero ngayon, ang ginagawa ko when we do yung mga direct na mga listings, we usually go to the different subdivisions in any area. So like for example, ngayon I'm here in BF Homes. So dito sa BF Homes, it's one of our focus area. So lahat ng mga listings dito, whether yung mga brand new ones or yung mga pre-owned properties, kompleto nandito sa brokerage ko. So it's really a good area, no? Kasi coming from Manila, for example, it's very convenient. It's very close to expressway. So it's a good location if you are looking here sa South area. So ngayon, meron akong bahay na nakita na for sale. So pakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano ko siya ginagawa. Para what I do as a real estate broker, which I really enjoy kasi I have the freedom na dumiskarte kung paano ko ba gusto i-run yung business ko and how kung paano ko i-manage yung time ko din. So that's something na I can do having my own business. Although it's not really easy, coming from before, of course, I was also in an employment, pero it's not really that easy to establish a brand or to put up your own business. But I guess it's all worth it. I think worth it naman yung effort kasi ayun, I have the freedom, kung sabihin natin. So ayan, so ang ginagawa ko as a real estate broker, so part of my job is of course to sell properties. But for secondary market, before I will be able to sell a property, I need to find a property to sell, diba? Kasi comparing sa primary market na coming from the developers, so we have real-time inventories na nakukuha namin coming from the developers. But for the secondary market, we need to find owners who will be selling their property. So kung you are also selling your property, you can reach out to our brokerage para we can help out also in selling your property. Ayan. So ngayon, I'm here right now again in BF Homes Parañaque, particularly in Tahanan Village. So it's actually very convenient coming from expressway. So if you're coming from Manila, then mag-exit ka ng Sukat. Yung SMBF, so from SMBF, you turn left going to BF Homes sa President's Avenue, and then madadaanan mo yung Tahanan Village. So ngayon, I found this property. Ayan. So it's a good property, diba? So I know that it's for sale kasi may nakalagay na house for sale. So what I do is I usually reach out to owners to check if our brokerage can market their properties, because most of the time, yung mga owners, they would definitely partner with us because that's our expertise. We have the network and we have our resources para ma-market namin ng tama yung property nila. So, ayun, very exciting. Kasi especially during the time when I was building our brand, our business, looking for properties to sell, and it wasn't really an easy job kasi when you're starting a business, very idealistic na akala mo ganun lang siya kadali, but it was not easy, it was not smooth, but it was worth it, especially nung na-build na namin yung listings ng brokerage company namin. Ayan. So along the way, when I was doing this business, I met a lot of owners, and then they also lead us to other to their networks who are also selling their properties hanggang sa naipon na, and we have so much to offer to our potential buyers. Ayan. Kaya itong area na to is just one of the areas that we usually handle, So it's BF Homes. But again, every day we find the right buyers, but we also look for owners selling their properties. Kaya din nagkaroon kami ng many listings available in all areas here in the Philippines. So if you are looking any property in any area, whether whether condo, lote, or house and lot, you can definitely reach out to us sa brokerage ko because we have all the best listings available for you. So, ayun, I think yun lang naman. Yun lang naman. I just wanna give some introduction lang sa kung ano bang ginagawa ko as a real estate broker and as the owner of I2 Prime Realty, no? So if you happen to be in that position in your life na you are looking for options for you para makasimulan mo yung pangarap mo na bahay, you can definitely reach out to our page. It's I2 Prime Realty. We also have our website. It's www.i2prime.com. So you can check out our latest listings there para matulungan namin kayo in finding your dream home. Okay? So, ayun. Dami ko ng mga nasabi pero ayun. At least meron na kayong idea kung ano ba yung ginagawa ko as a real estate broker. But yeah, in finding a property, I hope that you really partner with people who are licensed to do the business with you para mas matulungan namin kayo in finding your dream home, and we can help you out all throughout the process from the time you make a reservation up to the time you move in and even after sales. So, ayun. Di ba? Nag-brown out lang sa condo pero dami ko nasabi. So, I think I want just this day to be a little productive. So this is one of the houses that I saw available right now. Na what I will do now is I will contact the owner, no, to check the availability and also the price of this particular property. But ngayon mag-iikot din ako sa mga subdivisions to check if there are more houses that we can offer para we have more options for you. So ayun lang. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that somehow nagkaroon ng clarity, no, kung ano ba yung first step na pwede nyo gawin kapag bibili na kayo ng property of your own. So again, thank you so much for watching. This is Roylan John Idos. Again, so feel free to reach out to us if naghahanap kayo ng property, and our team will be very happy to assist you. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!